Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We can apply about Cauchy-Euler differential equations. So I will put about yc. That is about complementary solutions, and I will put about s to the power of n. Later that we do first the derivative of this one. We have an s to the power of n minus 1. Second the derivative of this one. We have n with n minus 1, s to the power of n minus number 2, and we do third the derivative of this one. We have n minus 1, n minus 2, s to the power of n minus 3. Because this is about complementary solutions, that means this equation in here equals to number 0. And now I will put this one go in here, this one go in here, this one go in here, and this one go in here. Next, so we have s to the power of 3 with s to the power of n minus 3. We simplify and we have s to the power of n. Similar for this one and this one. Next, s to the power of n, we can do about factorization. And this one equals to number 0. Now we need to expand everything in here. Now we need to simplify. Negative 3n squared plus 8n squared, you got about 5n squared. 2n minus 8n plus 4n, we have negative number 2. And now we need to find the solutions of this one. So if we find the solution, you got about n equals to number 2, n equals to negative number 3, n equals to negative number 4. And now we have yc. So we have c number 1. That is about the constant number 1, s to the power of n. And in this situation, we choose about number 2. And we have c number 2, s to the power of negative number 3, and c number 3. That is about s to the power of negative number 4. Now, we go to particular solutions. So we have s minus 23 in here. So I will put about yp. that is about AS plus B. Now if we do first derivative of this one, we have A, because this one that is about the constant, so you got 0. First derivative of S, we have number 1, so we have 8. And now we do second derivative of this one, we have 0. And now we go back in here, so this one we put this one go in here, and this one that is about A, this one you got 0, and this one you got 0. Now we need to simplify just like this. Now we need to expand this one. So for SA minus 24AS, we have negative number 20AS. Next, about the numbers, negative number 24B equal to negative number 23. And now we divide both sides by negative number 24. The next one, negative number 28 equals to number 1, because coefficient of S that is about number 1. And now we have the final answer. So we put A and B, go back in here. So we put this one go in here. B that is about 23 over 24. And now we have the final answer. Y equals to combination between YC and YB. YC, we have this one. YB, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching. Here is about the full answer of the questions in here.